guys, welcome to my channel. As I am student of Next2 Academy, I have participated in activity called 10x my communication to showcase my communication skills. As you know, in previous video we discussed about what is no code. What is no code? A no code is a software development approach where user can develop an application and website without knowing any programming knowledge. Now we will discuss about what is low code. Do you know what is low code? A low code is a visual development software approach where user can develop a websites and application with a drag and drop method, and it is also having a pre-built components. It is not like a traditional way of writing code line to line. Okay, now we will discuss about what is no code versus low code. Yes, as we know, both low code and no code have similar features. The both methods are used for speed up the developing process. Yes, the similar features are visual interfacing and pre-built components, and also drag and drop methods, and embedded the users to develop applications and website quick and efficient. Now we will discuss about end users. The both no code and low code is used for the speed up the development process, but both end users are different. In low code, the end users are non-technical users embedded to build a software without knowing any programming knowledge. But in low code, the end users are professionally developers where there are tech saver users with having a programming knowledge, but they are use advantages of speed and efficiency of a low code. Now we will discuss about flexibility and customizations. The low code provides the visual development environment, so it reduces the amount of coding, but it provides the developers to modifications of a code when we require. With the flexibility and customizations of no code tools, it is suitable for complex application building. But in no code, there is limited customization, so it is not used for complex application building. Now we will discuss about speed. No code is a platform which embedded the rapid development with plug and play components, and it is also maximizing the code and errors, and it reduces the time to marketing. But in low code, it requires a more training period and knowing any technical knowledge, and also we need to manually writing some code, but it's still faster than a traditional way of software development. These are some differences between no code and low code. Let's know more about in another video. Thanks for watching. Let's see in next video.